So let's see what I bought from Amazon before my trip to India. So my family had asked for a lot of stuff, and then I found a lot of interesting stuff that I thought would be useful for them. So I ordered these things from Amazon, and now I'm unpacking them and showing you all the interesting and useful things that I bought for them. Now I'm opening the first package that arrived. There's a kitchen appliance, and there are also some other interesting stuff. So I usually buy these cushion covers from Germany. I find the quality to be really good, and there are some very, very cool designs that we do not get in India. And you just have to be careful about the size that you buy, because in Germany, the usual size, the most common size is the 50 cross 50 centimeter. But at my home and in a lot of other places in India, we use 40 cross 40. But don't worry, these are still available in Germany. You just have to find the right size and order it carefully. Here, as you can see, I bought very, very pale yellow cushion covers of size 40 centimeter cross 40 centimeter. They're square and they fit perfect to the cushions at my home. These have zip enclosure. As you can see it, it's practically invisible, but it's also not difficult to open and close it. As you can see, it looks really, really cool, very sophisticated and very good quality. This is a pair of cushion covers. So there are 2 cushion covers in here. We have a small sofa set, and we have 4 cushions in total. We like to mix and match. So I bought 2 separate pairs so that they can be used together. And there's this one design that breaks the other design, right? So that the contrast is good. Now you saw the first 2 ones, which are plain colored. They have a stripe texture on them. But now we open the second pair, which has a very bright floral pattern. This is also a pair of cushion covers. So there are 2, so 2 plus 2. In total, we have 4 cushion covers, which can be used together. Also of the same size, 40 cross 40 centimeter. As you can see, these have a floral pattern. The background is a very, very, very mild cream color. The flowers are white in color with a bright yellow center, and there are very, very cool embroidered leaves in here, which completely breaks the monotone. So there is bright green leaves or twigs, and then there are white flowers, and then a bright yellow mustard center, flower center. This works very well in contrast with the first pair of cushion covers I showed you, and they can be used together. These covers also have a zip enclosure like the first pair, and the material is more like a jute material. It's not hard, it's also not super soft, but it's definitely not hard. It works well together with the first pair, and overall makes a very good set of 4 cushion covers that can be used together. Look at how bright this is. I'm loving this. I'm sure it's going to go well. Now you see the first pair and the second pair together, and you see the contrast that works well. And together, that's a very, very cool set of 4 cushion covers that can be used for our sofa set. Let me fold everything together and put it back so we can check out the next product that I ordered. Okay, so in the beginning we saw that there was a kitchen appliance, that is a Stabmixer that I ordered on Amazon in Germany. We call it a Stabmixer. I think it's called a hand blender here in India or in English. And it's from the brand called Braun. It's a German brand, and I've already used a couple of home appliances from them, and they are super reliable. They're a really good brand, and I've never been disappointed. In fact, I've been more than satisfied using kitchen appliances from this brand. I'm quickly trying to open it. Now let's see what parts are in here. There's the main blender part, like the blender the stab, right? So look at the blade. It's a really sharp blade, but it's well protected, so you don't have to worry. And then there's the motor part, so the part that actually works, which also has a connection to the electricity. And together with this, there was also a kind of a beaker or a blender jar that was provided, into which the ingredients could be put, and then the blender could be operated. So you see, it fits very well. It's very easy to assemble and fit it. It just fit in a couple of seconds. I have to connect it to the electricity, and then there is also a turbo mode here. It's also very easy to remove the blender part in order to clean it. So overall, it's a very, very good purchase, I think. And it's nothing super fancy. It does the basic stuff, but it does it well. Up next, we have a really cute Bluetooth speaker from Legami. Now, this is an Italian brand that's getting more and more famous because of the really cute designs on everyday objects. They have a lot of other stuff as well. You can check them out. They're a really interesting brand. And this is a Bluetooth speaker that can be used in the shower. It's not as big as a pot, which I think is also a good thing. And as you can see, it has a very cute cactus shape. I bought this for my niece, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. I'm unboxing the second box, and the first product here is also from Legami. It's a really cute Koala power bank that I bought for some friends in India, and as you can see, it's super cute. It's not extremely high functional, but you know, it's just cute, and I'm sure a lot of girls and also some women would love it. It's not too heavy. And I read online, I saw that it has really good ratings. I'm convinced it's a good power bank, and it's a great, it's a great gift to give. Up next, we have another set of cushion covers. Like I said, my sofa set has 4 cushions, and I always look for a set of 4 or 2 pairs that go together. Now I also ordered a second set, which is a set of 4 cushion covers. These are not mix and match, so they come together. All 4 of them belong to the same set, but I really like the colors because there's yellow, there's orange, there's red, and then there is also green. And my sofa set is a really good ink blue sofa set. So these colors would completely help break the monotone of the sofa set, and I'm sure they look great. The texture is very, very soft. There's a kind of a cross-stitch pattern here. As you can see in the video, all 4 have the same texture, and they're very soft. They're very, very soft. And they also have zip enclosure. Oh, look at the colors. The colors are gorgeous. The colors are really gorgeous, and I'm sure they'll work very well with the blue sofa that we have. The texture is really good. They have zip enclosure as well, which are almost invisible. So you will never see the zip, but you will also definitely find it when you have to change the cushion covers. So it's practical, it's soft, the colors are great, and the price is completely fine. I find it hard to find such good quality cushion covers in India, and that's the reason I buy it from Germany and take it with me whenever I go home. Up next, I also bought a really, really cool gift for my nephew. It's a shape puzzle. So the idea is that there are shapes And then there are cards with some characters or some animals, and the kid has to arrange the shapes in such a way that they achieve the pattern or the animal given on the card. So it's a very simple puzzle as an art rule, but then it's for a kid who is around 3 years old. So I think it would be a good gift, and I'm sure that he will enjoy playing with this. Now we've come to the end of the video, and here's all the stuff that I ordered from Amazon to take home for my vacation in India this December.